is some pork loin chops. I just took these out of the fridge. I'm gonna let them set, hang out, kind of warm up a little bit above room temperature maybe, because they will cook faster if you do that. So I'm gonna let them sit here for a little bit, and then we're gonna season them up. Okay, we let our pork chops hang out. They've warmed up some, almost said cooled down. Anyway, I've seasoned them up on both sides with some Lowry seasoning. We are about to hit a hot cast iron skillet with these things, sear them up real good on both sides. Then I'm going to finish them off in the oven. Okay, so we moved over to the cast iron. I've got it heating up. It's good and hot. I'm going to hit it with these pork chops. Start letting them sear up. Probably going to sear them for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. I'm going to turn them over. Once I get them seared on each side, I'm going to put them in a 400-degree oven. Okay, so here we go. Turning over this first batch. See how they're starting to sear off? Getting some nice color. Exactly what I'm looking for. These are some super thick pork chops. Let this side stir off. Get them out of the skillet. Sear the other ones. Pile them all in. Okay, so here's what I've done with the first batch. I have put it in a casserole dish. I'm searing off the second batch. I'll put them in there. I'm going to add some good old sweet cream butter, a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to cover it tightly and full. We're going to finish them off in the oven until they're done. Okay, I want you to look at this. We've pulled the loin chops out of the oven. Look at all the juice they put off along with that butter. I'm fixing to set them out to rest, and we are fixing to cut into one shortly. We're fixing to cut into this pork chop.